Okay, so let's look at a conversation at the ticket office. At the ticket office. You want to buy a ticket. You're at the train station and you want to go somewhere. Let's create a conversation. So, Adrian, how much is a ticket to Brighton? How much is a ticket to Brighton? I could even say, how much is a return ticket to Brighton? Return ticket. How much is a return ticket to Brighton? Monie. It is £55. It is singular. It is £55. It is only £50. It is just about £55. Or we could say it is £44.99. £44.99. Yeah. And Adrian, are there any discounts? Are there any discounts? Are there any discounts? Are there any discounts? Discount, so a reduction in price. 10% off, 20% off, any discounts? Monie, no. No, there aren't any discounts. There is not any discount. There is not a discount. There aren't any discounts. No. It's always nice to ask. Adrian, can I pay with credit card? Well, can I pay with credit card? Can I? Is it possible to pay with credit card? Can I pay with credit card? Monie, no. So that's twice. No. No. The machine is not working. The machine where you put the credit card into is not working. We could say it is broke. Working, broke. It's broke. Doesn't work. Simple as that. And Adrian, do you have change? Do you have change? I have £60. Do you have £5 change? I have £100. Do you have £45 change? Monie, yes. Yes, we're getting somewhere. Yes, I have some. I have some. I have just a little bit. Maybe enough, maybe not enough. I have some change. Some change. And Adrian, what time is the train? What time is the train? What time? What time? 7:55. Or we could say 5 to 8. 7:55, 5 minutes to 8. Same thing. 7:55, 5 minutes to 8. Makes sense. And what platform does the train leave from? It leaves from. Leaves from. It leaves from platform 3. What platform does the train leave from? Which platform is the train? 3, 4, 1, 2, 5 and beyond. And lastly, Adrian, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Very helpful. So, how much is a ticket to Brighton, to anywhere? London, Manchester, Birmingham? It is £55. It is £10. It is £7. It is £100. Are there any discounts? No. No. Can I pay with credit card? No. The machine is not working. It is broke. Do you have change? I have 100. Do you have change? Yes, I have some. Some. What time is the train? What time is the train? It is 7:55. 7:55. What platform does the train leave from? It leaves from platform 3. What platform is it? 3. Nice. thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. So how cool is that, language explorers? Nice little conversation at the train station. Let's keep exploring. How cool is that?